In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bus in Cakewalk. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open the console. So to do this, you want to go to Views up top, and then you simply want to click on this console view over here, or just press Alt+2 on your keyboard, and that's going to pop up down here at the bottom. Now, if for some reason it's hidden and you have like a multi-dock panel, you want to press D on your keyboard, and it's going to go down, or of course, if you click on it, it's going to extend again, just like that. So by pressing the D button on your keyboard, it's gonna pop up or get hidden. In here, you can see it says bus. Now, from here, you can just click on the bus button and you can click on insert stereo or surround bus. Now, by doing this, you'll be able to, of course, kind of create your bus that way. So I'm going to click on insert stereo bus. And there we go. We have a new bus over here. Okay. So that's how you do this. And of course, down here, you can see its name. You can double click on it and you can go ahead and change it just like this. And yeah, that's essentially all you have to know on how to create a bus. You could also go over here on the left where you have your mixers. You could right click in here and you'll be able to add a new bus over here as well, and then it's gonna get added in here like this. And yeah, if you right click on them, from here you'll be able to, of course, insert different sends. You'll be able to hide them, delete them, etc. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.